Welcome back! Let's make some fluffy and jiggly Japanese soufflé cheesecake. It's light, airy, and absolutely irresistible. Feels like it melts in your mouth. Here is the ingredient list, and let's get started. Preheat oven to 230°F and separate egg yolk and egg white. You can break the shell and scoop the egg yolk out from the bowl, or separate them at the moment you break the shell. Either way work. First, let's melt the cream cheese, butter, and milk together. Use a double boiler or a heat-proof bowl over simmering water. Stir until smooth and creamy, then take it out of the hot water bath and let it cool slightly. Add egg yolk and mix them one at a time. When it's nicely mixed, add flour in 2 parts and mix it until there is no lumps, then add vanilla extract. Mix well and it's time to make the meringue. In a stand mixer, add egg white, cream of tartar, and 1/3 of the sugar. Mix at medium-high speed and slowly add in the rest of the sugar. Mix until you reach soft peaks. Basically, when you lift the whisk or beaters out of the egg whites, the peak will hold its shape for a moment but then slowly droop or curl back over itself. Use a strainer to filter the batter into a large bowl and gently fold the meringue into the batter in 3 additions. Be careful not to deflate the mixture. This is what gives the cheesecake its signature fluffiness. Pour the batter into 4 ramekins. Tap it lightly to release any air bubbles. Then, place the pan in a larger tray filled with hot water for a water bath. This keeps the cheesecake moist and prevents cracks. Bake for 70 to 80 minutes at 230°F. To test, put a toothpick in the middle of 1 ramekin. If it's clean when you pull back, it's good. Optional, turn the oven up to 350°F and bake for 1 to 2 minutes until you have a lightly brown top. Take the ramekins out of the hot water bath. Let it cool down and enjoy. It's so light and melts in your mouth. The perfect balance of sweetness and tanginess. You've got to try this at home. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious treats. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next. See you next week.